Welcome to Monax, your reliable partner for innovative solutions. In this video, we present our modern equipment MR-K2. It's a machine for sharpening angular cutters up to 52 mm. We would like to explain the features and functions of this device for you. So, fast and precise sharpening of HSS Cobalt and TST cutters. Solid construction ensures high accuracy. Weldon shank holder. Flexible adjustments for different geometries. Laser indicator for precise angles. It includes dividing disc and high-quality Legao grinding wheel. Also quick restoration of cutting edges. And with equipment very compact and easy to transport. Our dear customers, you can find more detailed information about this equipment on our website. Make the right choice, and our manager will help you anytime.